Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about an email that I just got from someone named Marvin. He is not having a good start to 2022, but hopefully everyone else is having a good start to 2022. Hopefully you are following your New Year's resolutions, whether it's going to the gym more often, whether it's quitting alcohol or drugs or something like that. Personally, mine is no drinking alcohol, and hopefully everyone is having a more positive start to their 2022. So let's pull out this email from someone named Marvin. This is the first time I've spoken to him, but basically what happened is he's got his third strike in the last 100 deliveries, and that is definitely worrisome. So anyways, let's read off this email. Hi Tanner, my name is Marvin, and I'm a Doordash driver, and I also do Ubereats. I've received my third contract violation within the past 100 deliveries, and I do not believe that it is my fault. I've never heard of this happening to anyone else, but after you're watching your video the other day about the worst Doordash driver in history, which if you guys didn't watch that video, it's called Doordash, or the Doordash cheat codes Doordash doesn't want you to know about, and it's basically about this guy named Edward who sent me this horrendous email, basically labeling all the bad things that he does to people's food, and like, it was not a good email. He basically said like he prefers I don't know if he was serious or not, but he said he prefers greasy restaurants because then the food bags open easier because of the stickers and stuff. But anyways, that video is a whole nother volume. But basically, after seeing that video, this is what sparked Marvin to send this to me. After hearing the guy say he opens greasy food bags, I figured I would send you this email and see if you know of this happening to anyone else. The first two contract violations I received were for late orders, and they were definitely both very late. One of them I had to go to the bathroom, so I had to turn around and go back home real quick. This resulted in a late to restaurant delivery. But one that just appeared a few days ago, the customer said that I opened their food bag, which I did not, and it was from Five Guys. And the bag simply would not stay shut because of the grease. So if you guys haven't done a Five Guys delivery before, I'm sure most people have, what they do is they kind of fold it a few times. They put these stickers over it, and the stickers, they're sticking to paper bags. They simply just do not stay shut. Now, I'm assuming the fact that this person hasn't been deactivated right away, Doordash probably took this into consideration because anyone who's done a Five Guys delivery before knows that those freaking stickers, if that bag is even remotely greasy at all, they just simply do not stay shut. I've done plenty of orders before, and I've even taken a bag back into them one time. I said, hey, can you guys give me another bag because this just doesn't look good. So unfortunately, this happened to Marvin. I'm sure it's happened to other people before, but I've never seen it in an email or no one's ever asked me about it. Basically, I did my best to fold it closed, but it simply would not stay shut. The customer texted me after I left and said, next time use the hot bag and don't open my food. Normally, I always have my hot bag, but I forgot it this night, and I assume he watched me on his Ring camera, or else I don't know how he would know. Anyways, I received a contract violation that says tampering with delivery. I responded to DoorDash a few days ago and still have not heard back from them yet. Do you think this is going to get me deactivated? I took your advice and applied to other delivery apps just in case, but the suspense is killing me. I responded to the customer very politely and told them about the greasy bags, and they said no worries. So it seems like Marvin texted the person back and they were like, yeah, I don't know if they just said no worries, like kind of like sassy, like, yeah, no worries. Yeah, sure you did open my food, you know? But that was apparently the last thing they said. And then they didn't respond to my last message. But DoorDash normally, they don't normally let you just keep texting someone after you've completed their delivery. So I'm not sure if maybe they didn't even get the last text message you sent. But, and then he says, I'm assuming they had already reported me by then. Anyways, thank you for your contact. You should show your cat more often. All right. Brought in the cat to bring in some more positivity to everyone. Hopefully, this beautiful kitty cat right here brightens up Marvin's day. Anyways. All right. You're free. You're off work. Okay. So, anyways, Marvin, I think what the best thing that you should do in this case is probably send a follow-up email to DoorDash and see if you can actually provoke a response from them. I would assume, this is why I don't bring the cat in videos very often, too much fur. Anyways, I would assume that DoorDash customer service has probably seen this before, but I'm not sure. But it's pretty obvious. Five Guys has like the worst way of sealing bags, like putting a sticker on a piece of paper that's typically greasy is not the best way of sealing a bag. So I'm sure the customer service probably knows about this. I would assume that if you haven't been deactivated yet and it's been about 5 days or so, then you're probably in the clear. And I would just personally do as many deliveries as you possibly can to at least water down those contract violations so you can at least get 1, if not 2, of those late deliveries off of there. I would highly suggest trying to just make sure that everything comes in as good as possible. But yeah, I feel you on this one. It is definitely probably very suspenseful, like having a contract violation that says tampering with food. That just sounds really bad on paper. But anyways, if anyone else has ever dealt with this, let me know in the comments down below, because I know that Five Guys and probably a few other places, I believe like Taco Bell has pretty bad sealed bags, and like even when they like seal the bags, this happens all the time, you know, they pop right back open and it almost just always looks bad for the delivery driver, you know. You show up with a bag that's not sealed or something. It does definitely suck that you didn't have the hot bag in this case though, because that would probably just, I don't know, like maybe they took a screenshot of you with, I don't know. I really don't know in this case. The hot bag thing is like a whole different thing, you know. I don't know if you're required to have a hot bag or if it's just suggested or not. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down below. Hopefully Marvin doesn't get deactivated though. I'm sure it would have happened by now though. I believe that if they were going to deactivate you, they'd probably do it like right away. And maybe they sent you this contract violation, and then in the case that like after you apologize to the customer and explain to him, maybe he pulled it back or something. But it seems like anytime someone gets a contract violation, no matter what happens, they kind of just leave that contract violation there. And maybe a way to just make everyone drive better, because if you do have like 3 contract violations, you're probably going to be driving like a saint. Like, let's be honest. If you have those 3 contract violations on your record, you're probably going to be driving pretty good, you know? Even if they're not going to deactivate you, I can see why they might leave it up there, even though it's kind of messed up. But anyways, I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if this has ever happened to you before. Anyways, hopefully everyone has a good 2022. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also smash that like button for some positivity. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.